So one of the best features Mercedes has, and one of my favorites, but I feel like a lot of people are not even familiar with it, is the hold function. So a lot of times, especially if you are driving in a city, a lot of times you're hitting stop and go traffic, or you're just sitting at a light for too long, and the hold function, what it does, instead of you having to just keep that brake pedal pressed all the time, you can engage hold, and it will keep the car in place. It won't move forward until you tap the gas pedal. So let's say here we come to a stoplight, or maybe we're stopping in traffic. We bring the car to a full stop, then you press the brake pedal a little bit harder and you engage hold. That's one way. Another way to do it is you come to a stop, and then you release a little bit, and then you press the brake pedal again. So both of those will kind of engage a hold. Whatever you become familiar works best for you, but it's really nice because then your foot doesn't get tired. Basically, you're sitting at a light for a minute sometimes, or two. You just engage hold by pressing the brake pedal a little bit harder. You bring the car to a stop, then you press the brake pedal again, even a little bit harder. Then you can take your foot off the brakes. The car will keep the brakes applied until you tap the accelerator. So you tap the accelerator, and then you can start going again. It's a perfect, it's a very useful feature. A lot of Mercedes 2010 and newer have it. You should try it on yours, see if you have it. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.